In today's video, what we're going to do is take a look at AutoCAD's layer states. Now, what are layer states? Layer states are different configurations of your layers, whether it be different colors, if it's on or off, if it's frozen, so that you can very quickly and easily get to the, sort of a different view of your drawing, regarding to what you kind of want to show or showcase. So to get to layer states, go to your layer properties manager, and in the top of here, you'll see there is your layer states manager. Selecting that, it'll bring this up. Now, the first thing I advise anyone to do is create a current layer state. So what happens if you just go start creating a layer state now and changing a whole lot of stuff, like the different colors and the line types, you can't go back to what it was originally. So just say current. Okay, this is the original state, or make original state, or just let's make it this original. Okay, once this is done, then you can go crazy and you can just do whatever you need to do. Okay, so now let's go take a look at creating a new one, and let's go blue is red. Okay, so I'm going to change the color and just show how that is. So blue is red. Let's go edit it. So now these are all the different things that you can go and change in your layer state. So these are obviously the original names. Okay, and then for instance, I wanted to change all the blue ones to red. So I'm going to go say this blue is red. If you can, okay, I can't move this, but just on the top over here next to that green basin, you'll see there's a blue line over there. So I'm going to say that must be red. Let's go make this blue is red as well, and that blue must be red as well. And text, okay, it's kind of bluish. Let's make it red as well. Okay, now what you can also change is the different line types, line weights, the transparency, and if it plops or not, and then also new viewport freeze as well. At the bottom of it, you can also see you can also delete. So in a different layer state, you can also have layers that aren't visible there, so you won't actually see it. Or you can have additional layers as well, so you can add different layers. Okay, save this, and you'll see over here now, in the layer states, name blue is red, space and model space. Same as the DWG? No, it's not. So it's telling me that in the current DWG at the moment, blue is actually blue and it's not red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and restore that layer states over there, and there you'll see there everything has now become red. So all of this was blue previously. Now if you want to go back to the blue, so let's go through this normal way over here. Layer states, we'll say the original, and restore, go back, and there we can see now it's all blue over there. Now let's go change something like the visibility or the frozen states over there. So go back to my layer properties, go to my layer states, and in blue is red, I'm going to just go and edit that, but I'm also going to say that, let's say the magenta must be frozen, or let's just take the layer off. Okay, so that's one. There's another magenta. That's off. Okay, and save. Let's go restore, and you'll notice here now that a lot of the lines are missing. So you can see there, that kind of just seems to stop and there's no lines over there. So you've got all the blue is red, and you've got all those sort of layers over there are missing. Now to go to it quite quickly, so you see if I just click on the drop down over here, there is another state over here. So there, blue is red or original. And as I just hover my cursor over there, you'll see how it actually gives a preview as well. Okay, so that's just another way to manage layer states. Here we go. And if you for instance just wanted the color to change, you could turn off all these filters, and just say, look, just restore the color. So we can say over there, let's just turn all of this off. Just restore the color, which is over there. Okay, restore. So you'll see there, just restores the color. So you've actually filtered out the magenta is actually still there, so it hasn't turned that off. So you can see that with different layer states, you can control a lot about what's happening on your layers, how it's being visualized, and this should help you when trying to get an idea across to a potential client. Thanks very much for watching.